my magical friends! Welcome to Kid Story POV. Today, we're going on an extraordinary adventure to the Enchanted Forest. Are you ready to join me on this mystical journey? Look, what's this? A shimmering portal to the Enchanted Forest. Are you ready to step through and see what wonders await us? Wow, look around! The Enchanted Forest is filled with magical creatures. Can you spot them hiding in the trees and bushes? Let's say hello to our first magical friend, the Sparkle Squirrel. The Sparkle Squirrel loves to collect shiny acorns. What magical item do you think it will give us as a gift? Wow! Our next stop is the Rainbow River. The water here is made of pure magic and it can change colors. What color do you want the river to turn? Red, blue, yellow, green? That's amazing! Our wishes are so powerful in the Enchanted Forest. Oh, listen! The Wisps are having a magical dance party. Do you want to join in? What a delightful dance! The Wisps say thank you for bringing joy to their enchanted party. What an incredible adventure we had in the Enchanted Forest. Thank you for joining me on this magical journey. If you had fun, give this video a magical thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more enchanting stories with Kid Story POV. Until our next adventure, may your days be filled with magic and wonder. Goodbye, magical friends!